Mentagaski ke sorkar kala shim ya ka we karai. Bat kata karai kolomba. Kata karai kolomba. Ni isu biang katukan netli ki jing perking. Hakawedei bat ki public gathering. Hakawedei bat kejakaman iblay. Hakawedei bat ki sports. Hakawedei bat ki cinema halls. Mensuangi ailat 90% ten rei nadu mentakas ngi ke notification kan kami mentakas ngi ngila isu bangi reduce no laningi penhiar no ya katu kejing sya jongin 90% ya kepasti sya kasan 10% ha baro kini ki jaka kiba ngalabatai menta kawe kalong kejakaban manible kejakaman manible kabaar kitu ki gathering leni ki functions laki long ke jok public laki long ki private laki dei kinu ki badai ka ya tho leni kat ka badai ya kataru ngila penhiar sya ka 100% nang ta ya ka badai bat kaneka ki jaka wilakai ki football leni kinu ki jaka wilakai ya kaniru ngim sya asu ban ong ban ya bet kumdu klem kan number nilai matangi ailat batang 100% ba kila ban aten nang ta ya ke restoran ya ki bar nang ta ya ki dukan porkoi mdei shu ban pli palat ya ka kendai beci menmet ni ailat bakin pli tang hadu kendai beci menmet kata kadai ka notification ka bangi penni mentakas ni na kalian joko sorkar tang mentakas ni ka cases ka po ka shlong agglomeration kidon ki positive cases hadu prapunyo wot de habangyo i ki jingkeu man kasngi nara daw ka pulong yang i ka sorkar bangin sim ya kan rai bangin penhiar no ya ki capacity ke numbers jong ki jaka per ko bangala kadeu ba mdei shu 90% mdei shu 6% te kan long be no 100% nang de syakmat hadu banda penbe dak kuipak kabadai kamtam ia ki kenarit ki balik school ia kani ngindang shong meeting ngin shong review meeting most likely let's say la shai le nelisiski ngindang shong meeting nang ta ka sorkar kan sesi bi rai hadin minglayo ek feedback na po ka education department barokoi decreased to 50%, no longer 75%. Now it is reduced to 50%. Then the outdoor sports, spectators are permitted up to 50%. The sports activities, it is reduced to 50%. Cinema hall, again reduced to 50%. Then shops, restaurants, bars in Shillong agglomeration will close their shutter by 9 p.m. every day. 9 p.m. every day. This is the latest notification which is coming out today. And I would request all the citizens of the state to kindly bear with the restrictions issued by the government from time to time because safety is more important than anything else.